The dishes we have today are easy to prep and cook. Hey Thompson Gang, this your girl Chelsea.
And Missy.
Many have asked us, what do we eat since we became vegan? We wanted to answer everyone's questions and inspire others to try new dishes as well. The dishes we have today are easy to prep and cook. They are healthy, flavorful, and family friendly.
The first is 6-ingredient French toast. Ingredients include:
What's up, Thompson Gang? Don't forget to subscribe.
walnut milk, bananas, flaxseed, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and of course bread. We have topped it with fruit salad, date paste, walnuts, and some almonds. Check out our video and see how we made this dish in the link in the description below. This was my favorite one of all because it tasted great, and I typically didn't even eat French toast being vegan, which was surprisingly good. And I enjoyed doing it with the kids. The kids had fun doing it. It was a great experience. Right?
Yeah, it was good. I liked it with the date paste, and the actual fruit salad. It was good. Spread that date paste right on top.
Nice.
Yeah,
and
it was.
fresh.
This was like, we're gonna make it again. That was good.
Absolutely.
The next one we have is the trio snack grabber. We roasted some carrots, celery, and zucchini, and we seasoned it with some oregano, sage, rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper, and added a little coconut oil so it can all bind together. We roasted the veggies in the oven on 425 for like 20 to 35 minutes. And we made some sweet potato fries, and we had some chips for a little crunch. And the chips we had was like the Cape Cod brand plain. And we had 4 different dips. Had the salsa, the cream cheese with chives, the spinach and artichoke dip that we made at home, and the spicy avocado hummus. To me personally, I like the sweet potato fries, but the veggies, I don't know, the veggies just took the cake.
It just took it to another level. My actual favorite was, I was surprised about the spicy avocado hummus, because the first time I ever tried hummus, it was disgusting. It was just the original one that you get from Publix, and it was just disgusting. But the spicy avocado was creamy. It was just creamy. It had a little different texture I wasn't used to, but it had flavorful, and it went really good with the celery sticks and the carrot sticks, which I didn't really need no fries for mine. And third and not least, we had the collard green stew. I sauteed some chopped onions, bell pepper, and celery. Then I added the greens to the pot. In the next pot, I had white beans soaking. I sauteed onions and tomatoes in another pot, and then I added the drained white beans to the same pot. Then I had a can of ackee that I drained, and I roasted in the air fryer until it was like golden brown, just to give it a little crisp, little crunchiness for texture. And then I mixed all of it together, and I put it over some brown rice. Cook it by instructions on the container, because I'm not a good rice cooker. So I use a rice cooker myself. So if you don't know what you're doing, I recommend you use the instructions on the container. I topped it with some crispy onions for a little crunch. As well, I put on some yellow and orange pepper for decoration, make it, make the food pop to you. As well as mozzarella for the cheese eaters. Cheese always complete a dish.
All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and check out the links below for the recipes. And y'all can comment below what dish would you try to make, and also, what we should make next.
Like if you had any suggestions, or you guys want us to make us some videos or anything, just put it in the comment box, you know?
All right, guys. Peace and love.
Peace and love.